This is a full tutorial video on our special salad.
It's really good. I'm really enjoying it. This one feels more organic.
So in a bowl of water, I will add some vinegar and some salt to wash my veggies very well. I have my onion, my cucumber, my green pepper and carrots. After that, I'll have the lettuce as well. So rinse it very well and set them aside. So this is a second delivery video coming right up for my colleagues at work tomorrow. So quick one, salad. Yeah. So guys, don't forget to hit me up for any special order. Yeah, and we'll deliver it right to you. Coming to give my salad a second wash. This time around, I'll make it soak in the vinegar and salt solution water for some few minutes before taking them out. Put in my lettuce again for the second time so that it will be very clean and hygienic. I don't want anybody having any issues after eating Philbeck salad. You get what I mean? Yeah. In there for some few minutes. So whilst our lettuce is being soaked, I'll prep the other veggies. A subscriber asked for the recipe of my special salad, so I'm bringing it to you guys. We are here because of you and you because of us. So because of that, this is a full tutorial video on our special salad. Yeah. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit on the notification button, comment, share and like. So guys, my lettuce have been soaked for quite some minutes. So I'll be removing them and be ripping them. I prefer ripping them to cutting them. So I'll rip them in like pieces that is chewable. Yeah. So I'll rip them like that in a bowl lined with tissue paper to get all the excess water out because I don't have a salad spinner. So I'll rip them like this and the tissue paper will soak the excess water out so that I wouldn't have a lot of water in my salad. I want it as dry as possible. Yeah. So guys, I'm done ripping my salad. I'm just taking the excess water off it with the help of my paper towel or tissue. Wait! My veggies are all prepped up. So now let's get into the arrangement for my customers. Yay! Okay. I'm starting with the arrangements. With my carrots, I'll add my green pepper and then some dash of onion. Yeah, comes our canned beef and some sardine. Big beans. Lastly, my slice of egg. Yeah, so guys, my salad is ready. Yeah. So I'll be repeating this for everyone. So this bowl is for 20 cities. Yes, so I'll be repeating that for the rest of the video. At this point, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button, comment, like and share. So special delivery done to my colleague at work. Her name is Tendi. Yes, so I want her to have a bite and then she'll give us a feedback. Okay, so how does it taste?
Sumptuous.
Wow, wow.
So good, so good.
So Stanley, I want to ask, how did you get to know of my salad?
So I heard you when someone was ordering, so I said, oh, let me just give it a try and see. So I decided to order from you too.
Okay, so it means you are not a subscriber to my channel yet.
No.
So what are you waiting for? On this, you are charging you to go and subscribe to Phil and Bex TV on YouTube.
Okay.
Yes, and then you see our video and you see yourself as well repping in Phil Bex TV.
It's really good. I'm really enjoying it.
Wow, wow. What are you saying? What did you say?
Next time you have to bring me some so that I can test it.
The tasty ones are finished. Unfortunately.
Because I'm just eating
Rock papa.
like that.
Next time, order for Phil and Bex salad.
Balance the diet.
Yeah. So this is step up. Stuffing her bread with the salad.
Ole chibom. Salad bomb. Sabom, sabom. Boom, boom, sabom.
We are waiting for your comments.
Okay.
Just have your bite and then give it.
Okay.
So how is it?
I've tasted salad, but this one feels more organic.
Hey, any organic salad. My people, what are you waiting for? Place your order for this organic salad. I'm going to step up.
This is quite healthy because greens are not so dorsey. And your cabbage, many guys.
Hey! So how did you get to know of my salad?
Oh, me, I was my somewhere. And I saw a YouTube video. And I saw my colleagues. I'm like, hey.
Where was that?
Then I interviewed those who tested the salad. I said, oh, I'm awesome.
It's and then they want to be. What? And you feature Toby and alright guys, this is mine. Yeah. Unfortunately you can't see my face. Yeah. So don't forget to subscribe.